Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Kaylee June and I'm a fashion and beauty photographer. I've recently started this channel to talk about all things creative business and freelance wise. So if you're interested in this kind of content, make sure you do subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting a lot more of these videos over the coming weeks and months. So today's video is going to be all about 7 different income streams that you can utilize as a freelancer. So these are just some ideas for creative freelancers that might really help you if you're struggling to earn a full-time income necessarily from your trade or your skill. This might really help to supplement your income in a way. So these are always different income streams that you can work towards having. I really am a huge advocate for income streams and passive income streams because I find that being your own boss, being in a freelance business is filled with a lot of uncertainty at times, and especially over the last year, we've all seen with COVID how things can go when you don't have like those backup plans. So I like to think of them as my backup plan when I'm talking about income streams. I like to think that if one of those income streams goes down, then I still have many others that can really help me keep afloat. So we're going to get straight into the video today, and we're going to talk about 7 different income streams that could be suitable for a creative freelancer. So the first thing I'm going to talk about today is selling products or e-products. And I think that this has to be key. This has to be number one of things you can do to earn an extra income stream as a creative freelancer. As I'm directing this video towards creatives, a lot of the time you might find yourself being in the position of a graphic designer or someone who is an interior designer or a photographer, a makeup artist, a stylist, whoever you are and whatever business that you have. It's really important to remember that there's always a product or an e-product that you can sell to make yourself extra money on the side. And sometimes these products can be something as simple as a small mini ebook that people can download online. It might be a calendar. If you're a photographer and you enjoy taking lots of landscape images, you can sell a calendar. You can do templates depending on the business that you're in. You can sell presets. There are so many different products and e-products that you can sell to make yourself extra income as a creative. I think as creatives, we have the upper hand on this kind of thing in selling products because we are creatives. We can create new products and things to sell to make that extra income. So definitely something that I would say to keep in mind. I personally sell presets as a photographer. I sell ebooks and they really help supplement my income every month. The next idea for creative freelancers is affiliate marketing. So if you aren't familiar with affiliate marketing to sum it up is almost like finding a brand that you love to use. Say if you're a photographer, you might love to use Canon cameras. Now, I'm not saying that Canon do have an affiliate program, but a lot of brands like Canon or different will have an affiliate program. Now, in these affiliate programs, you can sign up. So when you recommend to other people or your audience to buy certain products, they will pay you a commission if one of the people in your audience does buy something. And a lot of the time they'll have like a tracking cookie, which will give you a certain percentage or commission within a number of hours. It might be 24 hours or 48 hours, or it might even be a month from the date that the person has clicked on your personalized link to buy something from the website or brand, and then you would get that commission. So I find affiliate marketing a great thing because I literally don't have to do much at all to earn that kind of income. What I tend to do is post those affiliate links in my YouTube description, and some of you might have seen these before. I also use them on my blog. And it's kind of using that as a combination to make sure when I'm wanting to recommend products that I love and use, then I'm actually getting paid for it at the same time. And it's no extra cost to the person that has clicked on the link, and it's always good to make them aware of that. It's actually just really helping to support that person's channel or their business. And it's something that I really recommend doing is signing up for affiliate accounts with brands that you know and love, and then you can go on to recommend them and get paid for recommending. The next income idea for creative freelancers is to actually have sponsorships or paid partnerships. Now, I really love this idea as well because it's really pushing ahead with brands that you know and love and you want to work with. For example, I think that it's a really good idea if you're at a stage in your career that you feel comfortable at to do this and you feel confident in your work and confident in your abilities, I would start reaching out to certain brands that you use and love and really start trying to work with them on potential sponsorship or partnership opportunities. Now, if you have a YouTube channel or you have an Instagram account that has a fairly decent audience size, this might be something that has already happened to you and you might have already been approached by a particular brand for a sponsorship or paid partnership. So I think that these are really great ideas along with affiliate marketing to really help promote the brands that you love and that you can work with to develop relationships with them. It's another great stream of income to add on to what you're already doing, and it can really help your professional reputation as well. The next income stream I'm going to talk about is YouTube. Now, I know I've already spoken about YouTube a few times for creative freelancers on my channel, but I truly believe that if you have ever thought of starting a YouTube channel as a creative, you should just do it, because the opportunities that it can bring and the passive income opportunities that it can eventually bring are really second to none. I think YouTube is a great platform for sharing your work, for sharing your business, for sharing your ideas. I think it's a great way for people to learn as well. So if you have any thoughts around starting a YouTube channel as a creative, it can be another income source for you, and I highly recommend doing so. The next idea for income streams for creatives is blogging. Now, I know that this isn't everyone's cup of tea and that there is quite a bit of work involved in blogging, and some people don't even like to write, which is fair enough. But blogging is a really, really big business online. And I think if you're willing to integrate it with Pinterest as well and drive traffic to it, it can be something that can really help you out with income. Now, I highly recommend if you're going to do blogging to make sure it is something educational, that people are getting value out of reading, because this can really help with search terms and making people aware of your blog and helping people to actually find it online, which will in turn increase the traffic that you do get at your blog. But once again, Google AdSense is a common factor between blogging and YouTube that you can use to create a passive income stream in that way. Or you can use your blog as more of a platform to help you push ahead with affiliate marketing, paid sponsorships, or even selling products. So a lot of them do tend to intertwine with each other, and that's completely fine. But I like making sure I have as many of these platforms as possible in that sense, to make sure that I have as many income streams as possible as well. The next idea for an income stream for creatives is actually e-courses. So e-courses are a great way. If you have anything that you feel you can teach someone else, or you can teach people in your audience, this is a great way to have another income stream. This can depend on the type of course that you want to release. So you might want it to be a bit more personal, and you might want to be along for the ride in terms of marking people's work or being there along step by step with them. Or you can have it as more of an evergreen course that people can purchase at any time. So it's really up to you what type of course that you want to release, but it is an incredibly important one to remember if you want to have another income stream and you feel that you've got some great educational material for people to get value out of. E-courses are a great option for another income source. And then the last idea for income streams for creatives that I've got today is one-on-one coaching. Now, this is going to be a lot more time consuming. So this, once again, won't be everyone's cup of tea, but I have personally done it and I still do it. And I find it very rewarding because you really get to dedicate your time to a single person and to really give them as much value as possible. So once again, if you feel like you've got educational content that you can share with other people or something that other people can learn from you, one-on-one coaching is a really nice way to go because it's very personalized. It can be structured or not so structured depending on what you prefer to do, but it's also another idea for an income stream that is great for a lot of creatives out there that have something to teach. And at the end of all of this, I just have to say, I feel that a lot of creatives, if not most, do have something to teach. And really, it doesn't matter how long you've been in your chosen field for necessarily, or maybe even how much experience you have with certain things. I feel like there's always something that can be taught from individual people and individual creatives. And it's something to remember. Don't always think that you can't do any of these things because you're not 5 years plus into your career and you don't feel that you have anything to offer. Think a little bit more outside the box and maybe something will actually come to you that relates to some of these ideas that I've given you today. Just remember at the end of the day that as creatives, we do have unlimited, untapped potential there to find different income streams that can really go along with our businesses. We are creative people and we can think outside of the box when it comes to things like this. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you do, because I'll be posting a lot more creative freelance content in coming weeks and months. And if you have any ideas for income streams for creatives, make sure to put them in the comment section below too. I'm sure lots of people would love to hear those ideas. So thank you very much guys again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.